today is another day, another game. He needs to get a side to calm their nerves so that they can put up a good show here. It's a quarter-final game, a knockout game for Bengal Tigers as well as for Mumbai Heroes. And it's all about nerves in the end.
After that emotionally drained match yesterday, there are two things that can happen. Either you can react positively coming back the next day, or you can really be down and out. I hope it's the first one as far as Bengal Tigers go. It's another guy taking a beating on his hand, and this time it's the keeper. The fingers. In England they would have said poppadom fingers.
Yeah, it's Rajat Bhavani, the wicketkeeper, who is in some pain. That's what happened to Apurv Lakhia. Injured his right hand while trying to stop that shot from Joy. He did well, but his fingers are not doing too well here. He's icing those fingers so that at least he's able to bat. And then this is what happened. This is what happened to Apurv Lakhia. He did quite well to stop that shot. And then in this over, it is the wicketkeeper Rajat Bhavani who's in some pain. That's a common injury to a wicketkeeper. There are so many fielders who rifle in the throw, whether there is a possibility of a run out or not. So that's what the wicketkeeper has to adjust and to accept.
And that's coming from a wicketkeeper himself. But you got to be taped up with all those fingers, isn't it, Saba? Did you do that before you took the field? Did you tape your fingers and then put the inners on and then the gloves? Or it was just a question of putting the gloves and inners on?
Well, I always had very good inners. I never used to tape my fingers. And fortunately, I never had any finger injury in my entire cricketing career. Which is quite remarkable, but I was quite confident. I never used any tapes to protect my fingers. I had a very good pair of gloves, good pair of inner gloves, and that's what helped me. Now this is how it all started. Sandy is in very good form, extremely powerful. He played some delightful shots in the first power plays. 18 without none, the Bengal Tigers.
It's really remarkable what you said, and generally you find all the wicket keepers complaining about finger injuries, but this is the first timer for me. And I'm sitting next to a wicket keeper who's played all his life as a wicket keeper batsman and hasn't had any finger injuries. Quite remarkable. It's Bobby Deol for you in the Mumbai Heroes camp. Sohail Khan behind him. They'll all come in numbers, trying to support their team.
The Mumbai Heroes, they started off very well. The first game they played, they tied that game against Telugu Warriors. Second game they won convincingly against Chennai Rhinos. But since then they've not been at the best. At times temperamentally they have been weak. They've not been able to finish the game properly. In there, has it been taken? Yes, it has. Oh, what a catch by Sachin Joshi there. He had to dive in front, but he has taken a splendid catch for his side. So Ritesh Deshmukh has struck the first blow for his side, and it is Sandy who'll have to depart.
Well, Sandy just chipping it one in the air, but have a look at that catch. A tremendous diving effort. I can vouch it that it's never easy diving in front, but he dived to perfection. And Sandy has to go, scoring 13. It's 18 for 1. Finally, they've caught one. That brings in Jishu, the star performer for Bengal Tigers yesterday. He's come into bat at a critical juncture.
This is the wicket of Sandy. He couldn't keep it down. It went flat. But look at Sachin Joshi. He was standing at mid-on. He had to run in and then he had to dive in front. And it took a brilliant catch for his side. That made everybody happy, and why not? As one incident that can really inspire the side. That's what they're waiting for. They needed to break through. They have done that already. They've taken the important wicket of Sandy. And out comes Jishu, who played the magnificent knock. It all went in vain, but he did his best. That's the kind of knock they need him to play again. The Bengal Tigers in there, and he finds the gap. Well played, very well executed cover drive on the back foot this time.
A short and wide, and got the treatment it deserved. First forceful shot of the back foot from the blade of Jishu, and length was the problem. He's getting the ball to swing in to the right-hander. He needs to pitch it up.
He's got some protection now, Ritesh Deshmukh. They've brought in the deep square leg fielder inside the circle, and they've pushed a fielder at sweeper cover. So he's got his line right as well now this time around. More precise, cannot stray down the leg side. Oh, bowled him! What an over from Ritesh Deshmukh. He's got a big fish. It is Jishu's wicket he has taken. Oh, they are dumbfounded. They don't know what has happened. It has struck them hard, the Bengal Tigers. Their dugout, they are so unhappy. This is what happened. Ritesh Deshmukh, what a delivery.
Well, castled him. Went through his bat and pad gap, and they are delighted. Look at Janelia, look at Ritesh. Hugs all